Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best Frigidaire dehumidifiers in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying Frigidaire dehumidifiers. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. 3. Frigidaire 70 Pint Dehumidifier with built-in pump. The pump allows water to be pushed upward to discharge into a sink or out a window. Has top and side handles to move easily. Fan comes on above a certain humidity setting. Quiet operation on the compressor. Easy to connect the hose. The pump in this dehumidifier allows it to work continuously without you having to empty a bucket. The 70 pint means it will remove 70 pints of water a day, not that the bucket has a 70 pint capacity. 2. Frigidaire High Humidity 50 Pint Capacity Dehumidifier. Quiet and efficient. Options for custom humidity adjustment. Washable filters, eco-friendly and cost-effective. Auto drain and auto shut-off for convenient, worry-free operation. A pricier option with a slightly lower capacity, but several convenient features. Higher price and lower capacity than some other models. 1. Frigidaire 95 Pint Dehumidifier. Operates with 2 fan speeds. Can operate continuously when placed over a drain. Designed to pull 95 pints of water a day out of the air. Comes with a longer power cord. Can bring humidity levels way down compared to other dehumidifiers. Reliable when run continuously. For really moist environments, this dehumidifier delivers on removing a lot of water from the air. If you're planning to use the bucket function, be aware it's only slightly larger than a gallon, smaller than others on the market. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.